Alright guys, here we go. We are on lesson, hold on a second, what lesson are we on? We're on lesson 4. So we're going to add fractions between sums of 1 and 2. So let's get going. Alright, what color am I doing? Purple. Okay, so here we go. So it says we're going to draw a picture using a fractional rectangle model and write the answer. So I'm going to go over here. Here's my 2/3 plus here is my 1/2. Okay, now I gotta cut this into half. I gotta cut this into thirds. So right now I have 4/6 plus 3/6, which is equal to 7/6. Now, review, this is improper because the numerator is greater than the denominator. So the top number is greater than the denominator. So what we got to do is turn this into a mixed number. A mixed number is a number with a whole number and fraction. Okay? So now how I'm going to do this is this. A couple ways you can do it. You can take 7/6 and you can break it down and say, okay, well, I gotta make this a whole, so I can say that this is 6/6 plus 1/6, because that's 7/6, well that's equal to 1/1/6, because this is equal to 1 whole. Another way you can look at it is, remember, the fraction bar is actually division, okay? So you can look at this as 7 divided by 6. I like to personally go 6 goes into 7, the denominator goes into the numerator. So 6 goes into 7 one time. How many are left over? 1. So the 1 becomes my numerator. And then this becomes this. My denominator stays the same. So 6 goes into 7 one time. That's this whole number. Then how many are left over? 1. That's my numerator. Or 6. Okay, let's do this one. So 3/4. So I got 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to shade this 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to add this to 2/3. Okay, you can say hi.
Hi.
Okay, it's bedtime. Get upstairs. There's 1/3. There's 2/3. Now, what do I need to do? I need to cut kind of on the other side. So this, I got this 3/4, I got to cut into thirds. So this 1 is 2/3. So now I gotta do this into 4ths. 1, 2, 3. So now, how many 12ths do I have? I got 9 12ths. 3, 6, 9. 9 12ths plus 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 12ths, which is equal to 17 12ths. There's your improper fractional arm. So what does that mean? I gotta change it into a mixed number. Alright, so let's think about those. 17 12ths. A couple ways we can do this. You can take this, you can take this denominator and say, okay, let's 12 12ths plus 5 12ths. And then 1 and 5 12ths. Okay, the way I like to do it again is I like to say 12. The 12 goes into 17 one time. How many left over? 5 12ths. There you go. Okay? Or you could do it 17 divided by 12. 12 goes into 17 one time. There's your whole number with 5 12ths left over, because 12. There you go. Okay? Same thing. Here we go. So draw a picture. We're in right. So it says draw a picture. And when it says draw a picture, you can It's just modeling. Okay, write the number sentence that proves the answer. So Penny uses 2/5 pound of flour to make a vanilla cake. She used another 3/4. How much flour did she use altogether? Well, it's a number sentence. Okay, so here we go. 2/5 plus 3/4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's my 2/5 plus 3/4. 1, 2, 3. You can do sound effects too. I know you want to. Now, it doesn't have to be fancy. Now I gotta, what am I calling it? I gotta now do this 2/5 and 3/4. And then this 2/5 are into fifths. 4. So now I have 2, 4, 6, 8. So I have 8/20 plus, I know there's 20 here. It's 5, 10, 15, which is equal to something over 20. 23/20, which is equal to 1 3/20. Because 20 goes into 23 one time with 3 left over, and the denominator stays the same. All right, I think that's it. Yep. Okay, guys, have fun. See ya.